ಈ 4.7 ನ್ಯೂಮೆರಿಕಲ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಲಾಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ವೈರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದೇ ಗಿವನ್ 2 long straight wires. They are A and B. These 2 long straight wires having some distance, that is 4 centimeter. Distance is 4 centimeter, and having the current I1 is equals to 8A, and B long straight wire, it's having a current I2, that is 5A. Here length of the wire is 10 centimeter. We can convert in centimeter into meter. We will get 0.1 meter. Here distance 4 centimeter. This also you can convert in meter only. 4 divided by 100, we will get 0.04 centimeter. 0.04 centimeter. So we know that force per unit length of the wire. Force per unit length of the wire. Unit length of the wire. That is equals to mu naught I1 into I2 divided by 2 pi d. Here force per unit length of the wire andre that's nothing but F divided by L. Force per unit length of the wire. So value is mu naught value is 4 pi into 10 to the power of minus 7. I1 andre 8 ampere, I2 andre 5 ampere, divided by 2 pi into D value is 4 centimeter. So that is converted into meter, that is 0.04 meter. ಇಲ್ಲಿ pi cancel, 2 1s 2 2s 4. 5 2s 10, 10 8s 80. 80 into 10 to the power of minus 7 divided by 0.04. We are cancelling a decimal after 2 digit. Here we can write 10 to the power 2. Next 4 1s 4 2s 8. We will get 20 into 10 to the power of minus 5 Newton. This is the answer for 4.7 numerical.